Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are taking you a short video. Did you see our video on Nuwara? Then you must remember this road. This straight road lies through Alakola estate in Madulkale. The surrounding is rich with scenic beauty, and it is such an amazing experience to travel through this road. This straight part of the road is about 2 kilometers length. If you travel about 6 kilometers further of this road, you can reach another beautiful travel destination, which is Ratnathanna. And also you can reach Gombaniya, the highest mountain of the Knuckles mountain range. It is said that when you look at the estate from Gombaniya, it looks like a Alakola leaf, and the vein of the leaf is this straight road. It must be an amazing view. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we invite all of you to visit this place and have this experience. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.